song is okay, but I really thought कि आसिम का कुछ मेजर रोल होगा, but ज़्यादा नहीं था कि मैंने पहले एपिसोड देखा and after that I never watched TV again. I don't know, I don't like the concept.
शहनाज और पारस का जो शो है मुझसे शादी करोगे, इसके बारे में क्या?
कि मैंने पहले एपिसोड देखा and after that I never watched TV again. I don't know, I don't like the concept. I thought it'd be something very quirky, something very funny. But honestly, for me, like I loved Shehnaz and all, but I didn't quite like the show. Like for me, so no offense to anyone, but I kind of didn't like the show. But I would also want to know who the winner is. Yes, but yeah, when Big Boss actually got over ना, तो मैं बता रही मेरी लाइफ इतनी सैड हो गई थी. मैंने फिर जाके आई थिंक फ्रेंड्स कब से रिलीज हुआ है, फिर मैंने फ्रेंड्स की पूरे सीजन देखना शुरू कर लिया एंड नाउ इवन दैट इज ओवर. आई एम लेफ्ट विद नथिंग. आई स्लीप बाय 11:30 नाउडेज बिकॉज आई हैव नथिंग टू वॉच.
एक फिक्स विनर करके हैशटैग ट्रेंड हुआ था जब सिद्धार्थ जीते थे. क्या लगता है आपको?
I see, I don't want to get into controversies. I don't know क्या internally क्या होता है and all, but I'm sure whatever has happened and now if he's won it also, so now no one can do anything because he's the winner. And I think when a particular person wins, हमेशा good things are also said and bad things also. So good publicity is also bad publicity. So I think just take it with a pinch of salt, and he's won the show. Now no one can do anything. And jitna marzi you want to say things, it's not going to change the fact that he's won the show. So that's about it. Huh? That's about it.
Okay. आसिम और जैकलीन का जो गाना आया है, आपको कैसा?
मैंने अभी देखा गाना. The song is okay, but I really thought कि आसिम का कुछ मेजर रोल होगा, but ज़्यादा नहीं था. But then I think he got an opportunity with Jacqueline. I think for him that was big. But as an audience, I wanted more out of, I wanted to see more of him because there was hardly anything. तो बस I felt that the song is nice for whole.
अच्छा नीति, बिग बॉस देखा, फॉलो किया था ये सीजन?
हाँ जी, मैं हमेशा every year बहुत फॉलो करती हूँ. I'm a follower of Big Boss.
कैसा लगा? कुछ कहना चाहिए. कौन था फेवरेट? सिद्धार्थ जीत गए हैं, कितना डिजर्विंग लगते हैं आपको?
Hey Ram. I will get bashed, I actually wanted Asim, Siddharth or Rashmi to win. These were my three, so I didn't mind. My family is very happy Siddharth won, and whoever let the best man win, and I think that's about it. So I'm very happy that
बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़े हैं बिग बॉस ने, ये सीजन का जो था. आपको क्या लगता है, एंटरटेनमेंट फैक्टर उतना ही हाई था?
I think entertainment factor, yes, but lot of ladai factor, because I remember there were days where I was like, I can't watch it anymore. First I used to look forward for every day, and I used to be like, अरे बिग बॉस करेंगे, देखेंगे अभी ये. But in बीच में ना इतनी लड़ाई हो गई कि there was a point where I was like, I just don't want to see it anymore. Just I need a break from it. I think that's about it. Otherwise, I was quite just the fights were very ugly and very bad and abusive.